बल्कि जिसका जितना हक बनता है वो उस हिसाब से उसको दिया जाए। जब हम वही सारी इंटेंशन जो है वो डिस्क्लोज करता है। सिटीजन्स जस्टिस, आगे फिर कॉमा है, जस्टिस सोशल, इकोनॉमिक एंड पॉलिटिकल। जो हमारा ये प्रेम्बल है, हालांकि मैंने इसका आधा ही पार्ट पढ़ा है, ये प्रेम्बल ये कहता है, ये बेसिकली इस डॉक्यूमेंट की इंटेंशन है, द फिलॉसफी ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ विच द होल ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया वाज रिटन। ये उस फिलॉसफी, उस इंटेंशन को डिपिक्ट करता है कि जब फ्रेमर्स ऑफ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन उस वक्त लिख रहे थे, उनकी इंटेंशन क्या थी, वो सोशल जस्टिस को लेकर के कितना कंसर्न थे। वो वाकई में चाहते थे कि सोशल जस्टिस जो है वो दैट इज द कॉर्नस्टोन ऑफ आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन।
Social justice is observed on 20th of February every year. Its main objective is to promote gender equality, remove barriers regarding race, age, gender, ethnicity, etc., and to follow the lines of justice and to raise volume against social injustice. Social justice originated as a broad concept of supporting equal rights to citizens by taking various initiatives for citizens.
These tactics can handle every aspect of human problems, so as to maintain the dignity and worth of social justice. It is observed that 20th of Feb will be celebrated every year as International Day of Social Justice. Very well. And you might know that judiciary is the institution which provides justice, the very basic justice to its citizens. India is a democratic setup. Having a democratic setup is possible to strive on the basis of a powerful judiciary, an independent judiciary.
There is many problems that related to discrimination. Many of the skilled people are not able to compete with each other. Many of the skilled people which can do better than other people, but they are discriminated. They are discriminated by their voices and they are not allowed to speak with them. Dear friends, today the world of social justice is not to celebrate but to realize we have to speak against the discrimination. In the current India, there is also the discrimination exists in India. Before there was more, but the Mahatma Gandhi and other some leaders has vanished them. Like in America, a story was there that in 1955 a bus was going to the Montreal government journey. There was some blacks and white people were sitting in that. The rule was that if any black one is standing, then the black one has no right to sit on the seat, because if any white one is standing.
बहुत अच्छा बेटा। पोइट्री इज द बेस्ट मीडियम टू कन्वे। बहुत शानदार, बहुत। फाइजा उरूज, नानक एकेडमी स्कूल
Executive Chairman Honorable Justice Ali Mohammad Magre. Main focus of the program was to bring the equality among the people on the economic front, as well as to deliver the social justice to the people at grassroots level. Most of the litigation comes to the court on petty matters which can be resolved if the people sit together and headed by some respectable person from the locality. They can be resolved at that moment. Anyhow, if they approach the court, it is the duty of the court to get their heads closer and resolve their matters as early as possible, so that they should not waste their money or time in the courts and spare their valuable time either here or there. With these words, I thank you all the media persons to carry the message on social justice to every corner of the state as well as to the country, so that people can treat the people with dignity and honor and live a dignified life. Thank you, Lord.